All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, yes, I'm in the house with a Peña Trapper here with me for a quick maintenance review. But as usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this beauty right over here. I think it's my favorite Peña. I'm gonna tackle this fella with a T8 Torx bit. I'm gonna start from the handle here and T8 as well for the tiny pivot screw right over here. Let me see if I can just manage. Yeah, so this is gonna be out. Scale comes out pretty easy. Here we're gonna need a T6 for the tiny handle screws, liner screws, sorry. So just be careful, you get T6 screwing into the titanium. So just pay a lot of attention when you do this operation right over here. Tiny pivot going on. Just a little wiggle. And the backspacer is there. Just wants to fly away, and this is the bearing, and the washer, the spacer. Let's say I'm gonna use an alcohol swab like this to just clean up all the inside. Looks pretty clean, but still, you get a little bit of clean up here on the tang of the blade. Like so, inside of the scale, nice. This liner as well, nice sandblasted, and also this side over here. This fella, can stay here, stop pin, it's all right. Clean all the inside. And we're gonna clean also the bearings, which are the tiniest bearing I've ever seen, and the insert over here. I'm gonna do also a little bit of this. Maybe, I'll do a little bit of mineral oil at the end. Okay, let's see how it turns out. So we are here with the bearing. I'm gonna do a little bit of 10 weight nano oil. 1, 2, and just 1 for the pivot. We're gonna do 1 tiny for the detent as well. This, it's in place. This is also in place, and I'm gonna do, there you go. This is going like so, and I'm gonna do just 1 more just for the pivot like so, and we're gonna go backwards now. So the spacer can go right there. I'm gonna use these 2 screws just like so inside the liner for now, so I can just insert the backspacer into them and just feel where is, there you go. So just like so, and just like that, very gentle in this at this moment, because you don't want anything. Okay, so this looks good. This is super flush. So now I'm just gonna pinch it and do a little bit, very gentle, guys, here. The pin is done. We don't need the T6 anymore, so we're gonna do T8 back here and here. I'm gonna do this fella first, just because it's there. There you go. So there is 1. Not doing any Loctite, even if I probably should. This is a spinning pivot, so there you go. So that is fine. There's not much, vibrations going on, like to, there you go. Don't over tighten, never over tighten these guys. Let's see. There's no play. Ooh, very nice. That's a gorgeous actions. This is too tight. Yes, it's a little bit too tight. So let's do a little bit less here. A little bit less here. Center, yes. Blade play, no. Drop shot, yeah. Oof. This thing is gorgeous, guys. It's the blade is so thin, so light that you wouldn't expect it to behave like this, but actually it's very cool, very nice, and snappy. I like it. So there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.